Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to align text. As example, I will draw text in here. You can click these icons and I will create text, move fast to cat. Now if you want to align this text with this page, you can go to object menu, click on aligns and distribute. We will show for align and distribute options in drag bar. Now you can set, like you can move into left by clicking at this option, or you can set in inset, and this is for offset. You can move for the center point by clicking at this icon, and you can move again to the right with these tools, inset and this offset. To go to the top, you can click at this icon to be moved to the top, and then you can set to the bottom like this, or you can move into inside, click in here, and we move again to the center point in here. Okay, you can click at this icon to move into center. Okay, that's it, how to align text in Inkscape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.